much.
And here we go. Thanks. Weapons? Ooh, I want this axe though.
Ask me a question.
Hold on.
How dare you?
Axe me a question.
Axe.
I want a shiny card. I'm running away from it. Go to hell.
Go hand! Yeah, that's fun.
Right here.
Would you look at this? Folks, I think Nolans is the last
Ooh,
city
Deagle.
standing.
I have a pipe bomb. But I prefer the axe.
You found the source of the ticket?
No, never mind.
Oh, I got a spitter. Or, no, smoker.
Man,
Adam
that thing was a hell of a smoker.
He was just, he knew what he wanted and he wanted to get it. Okay.
They'll target Ellis.
So we can't like go alone, I think. So we gotta like
Weapons
stay
over
together.
This is
Yeah,
left
yeah.
for a reason.
If you leave somebody, they may die. How do you turn your flashlight on?
I don't know.
F.
Ooh, spooky.
Is that somebody beating a horse or what?
Shit.
Somebody beating a horse. I'm shooting it!
Gotta.
What you going on?
Shit,
Oh, jockey.
get it off of me! Shit hit the fan fast.
I'm reloading.
Here. Ain't nothing.
Wow, holy fuck. Whoa,
Boy.
okay.
Reloading. This way's blocked.
Fern with a baseball bat just going in and taking the bullets. Hey, anybody need any bleach to get all that blood out of your clothes? It's right over here. Right here.
Okay, we can do this. We can do this.
Reloading.
Guys, watch out.
Reloading. Y'all.
I see him.
hurt.
Are you hurt? Yeah, I'm hurt.
Reloading.
Where do you two go? Okay. Right behind you!
Where?
Oh god, charger again. Another charger.
Oh, I hear
Where?
one of those. What did you call
In
it?
the hallway. In the hallway.
Hi!
Oh, hey.
Get it off of me! Thank you! Wow.
What's my health at? Cause I can't see it.
It's about
You're in yellow.
a bit less than
Yeah,
that,
yellow. A third. Almost a third.
Yeah.
Reloading.
Because of this mod, I can't see my own health for some reason.
That's weird.
And if we find pills, I need some.
Bottle of
Okay, I'll
puke,
search.
Apparently.
That comes in handy. I'll use the puke. Actually, here, let me use my pills first. Or somebody took them. That's cool. That's cool.
I'm with you, Ian.
Okay. Oh god.
Oh god.
That's better.
You okay, Dusty?
Yes. I hopped on the fire.
And so did that apparently.
Grenade! Grabbing a jar of
Is
puke.
that a chainsaw?
Yes, that is a chainsaw.
Ooh! Fucking fire. Or we go this way. I was like, where there's fire?
After you.
It was the chainsaw.
Yeah, alright. Let's go.
Ow! Ow, that hurt.
Where did I hit?
That hit me.
I hit both of you, I think.
Defibrillator here.
Hey,
Ooh, defense.
Aaron, where are you? Right here.
Oh god!
Oh god.
God.
This chainsaw is gonna get somebody killed. Up! I was going to get rid of it!
You!
I'm using. Wait, no, never mind.
Defib unit here.
Wow, this is probably the most essential room in the game.
Ooh. Making my way downtown.
Adrenaline?
It's everything you got.
Dusty, you keep going alone.
Sorry, it's a habit. There's supposed to be a katana somewhere here. So I'm trying to find the katana.
Uh-oh.
Smoker.
Where is it?
Where is it?
He's over there. Thank you.
Aaron killed a smoker.
Listen, I know smoking's bad for your health, but you shouldn't do
This
that.
elevator works.
Oh,
Hey, this elevator works, Aaron.
Who's ready
Alright.
to step out of the frying pan and into the fire?
James Rochelle, you?
Oh god, you can go really fast.
Welcome to the
What does
lobby.
this look like?
Where we have check-in and check-out.
And 3, 2, 1, and open.
Continue attack.
Oh, it's
Chainsaw
open by
rifle.
now. Oh, there it is.
I think, Ian, you're the only one with green health.
Yeah, I don't know how this happened.
Okay.
Good job, Dusty.
I got an SMG.
It's over here.
Wait, I'm about to die, I think.
You're in red. I can't. I'm gonna heal myself.
There we go. Run it.
Hey, pills.
Right.
Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
Shotgun? First aid kit?
Wow, it's so foggy on my screen.
It really is. I'll stick with this.
I'm gonna go with a shotgun because boom goes a dynamite.
I got a
Can't
shotgun
see
myself.
Almost anything.
I hear something.
I think a tank's supposed to show up pretty soon.
This
Yeah.
way. Great. Zombies and hazmat suits. Hey! What's your name? Don't shoot.
Shooting a gun is better than a flashlight.
Oh, that was a smoker?
I'm on fire.
Damn! That's like the third one that's jumped on me.
Come on, guys, let's keep going.
I'm with you. I want to get out of this fucking smoke.
We gotta get around this fire.
I can't even see.
I can barely see. I'm like right behind you.
Almost there. Ready, start.
Well, this kind of risky there. And all
Reloading.
Some.
There's normally another. There they are. Oh, there they are.
Hey, there's the room right here.
Look out.
Get in, get in, get in.
Reloading.
Oh wow.
Heads up.
Wait, there's no
Fire
tank.
incoming.
Get inside.
Raven, come on.
I'm here. I just wanted to kill some more.
Wow.
Alright, that's cool.
Right now.
Didn't want to get in there anyways.
Hey, be proud out there, people.
Ah,
Oh my god, Dusty.
it's 69. 60.
Aaron's ready.
Most kills with the melee.
I didn't even have a melee.
I had a
Oh wait, no,
chainsaw.
yeah, I did.
And I used the axe.
Oh, I killed 8 special.
I killed 3 of them? Question mark? I knew I killed 1.